Hi Alexa, so I'm just looking at your grades here and I've been going through and marking just to make sure that we're up to date. So when you're concerned about things that you have missed, that you can go back through these, even if it's from before you were gone to play hockey, that you can email me discussion. So I know that you shared with me the point of view discussion, but if you want to email me within the system using the email provided up at the top, you can just email me your discussion post and I can enter in that grade manually. So when I'm going through, I'm actually not seeing too many assignments. If you look here, this is where we are right here. So this is what the discussion is that's due today. If you want to get caught up on that, because it's a discussion, it's ending tonight at 8. So it would probably be advantageous for you to get this done today. And then when we're looking back, I only see 2 assignments. So this was a discussion. And then the character sketch was a bigger assignment, but when I look at these two, if you have time over the March break to complete these, that you shouldn't be too far ahead or behind because these 2 are due this week. So you want to make sure that you get those in on time, and then you can start these at your own pace, even if that's over the March break, but it really is only these 2 assignments. So try to work this week. I realize coming back you're probably overwhelmed with all the other work that you also have to get caught up on. So these 2 are looking to your group to make sure that you have a collective post, and if they don't, then you can take that initiative and just copy and paste some ideas into your thread and then comment on others. And then this one is on the news feed. You were given an author to research, and off the top of my head, I'm sorry, I don't know which one you have, and just filling in some biographical information. These 2 might take a little bit of time. These 2 you can take your time working on, but again, you can submit this one into the Dropbox and this one you can email to me so that you're not that far behind. I hope that puts it in perspective. Definitely it would be great over the March break if you can work to complete those. Good luck. Let me know how I can help.